Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook the best steak. First, choose a premium cut, like a ribeye or New York strip, about 1 1/2 inches thick, for optimal results. Ensure your steak rests at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, as this promotes incredibly even cooking throughout. Season it generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides, creating a delicious crust. This careful preparation truly lays the groundwork for an incredibly flavorful and perfectly cooked meal. Once prepped, heat a heavy cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly, indicating it is hot enough. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, ensuring the pan is well coated. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You are looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to form, locking in all the juices and flavor. After searing, transfer your skillet directly into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking for approximately 4 to 8 minutes, adjusting for your desired level of doneness. Always use an instant-read thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the steak for accuracy. For example, aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for rare. To elevate your bayabas, consider adding a squeeze of fresh lime juice or a small pinch of ground cinnamon in the final 5 minutes of cooking. You could also introduce a few thin slices of fresh ginger for an aromatic warmth. If you prefer a thicker texture, gently mash some of the softened fruit with a fork right in the pan. This delicious cooked bayabas is perfect served warm over pancakes, oatmeal, or even with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.